This is the Genesis G90. Your Genesis G90 is equipped with a variety of power sunshade features that enhance convenience and comfort by blocking direct sunlight coming through the vehicle's glass. To use the front seat sunroof power sunshade, push the sunroof switch towards the rear to the first indent position. The power sunshade should automatically slide open. To close, push the sunroof switch towards the front of the first indent position. Keep in mind that if the sunroof glass is already open, the glass will close first. To stop the power sunshade at any position, push the sunroof switch towards any direction. Your G90 is also equipped with a rear seat power sunshade feature that enhances convenience and comfort for the rear passengers. The rear seat power sunshade can be opened or closed by pressing the switch located on the overhead console. The rear power sunshade can also be operated by using the rear center armrest touchscreen system. Press the sunshade button from the left side menu to display the adjustment control. Press and slide the button up or downwards to raise or lower the sunshade. To stop the power sunshade at any desired position, press the center sunshade button again or the stop button located on the upper right part of the screen. Your G90 may be equipped with a rear window sunshade feature that enhances convenience and comfort for the driver and passengers. To raise or lower the rear window sunshade from the front seat, press the button located on the window switch control panel. To raise or lower the rear window sunshade from the back seat, use the armrest touchscreen and press the sunshade button on the left side menu. Select Open or Close to operate. Note that the rear window shade will automatically lower when the vehicle is shifted to reverse. The sunshade will retract up automatically when the vehicle is shifted from reverse to park. The rear sunshade will also raise automatically if the vehicle is driven past 12 miles an hour. The rear side window sunshades enhance comfort by blocking out the sunlight from the two rear side windows. To raise or lower the rear side window sunshades from the driver's seat, pull or push down the switches located on the window switch panel. To raise or lower the rear side window shades from the rear seat, pull or push down the switches from the rear window switch panel. Pull the switch up to completely close the window, then pull the switch up again to close the sunshade. To open the window when the sunshade is closed, push down the switch to first open the sunshade, then push the switch again to open the window. To raise or lower the rear side window sunshade from the back seat, use the armrest touchscreen and press the sunshade button on the left side menu. Select Open or Close to operate. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.